Hey, what's up, and welcome to Tech Focus. Today we are in the beautiful city of Tianjin in China. This video brings you an amazing and beautiful experience of the Tianjin Haihe river cruise with an amazing view of the city. If you don't know, Tianjin is a municipality in China bordering Hebei province and Beijing municipality. Of course, it's bounded to the east by the Bohai Sea, which gives it a port, makes it a port city. Tianjin has a total population of about 15 million people, and it's the third largest city in China after Beijing and Shanghai. Alright, so as we enjoy the rest of this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and of course, if you're enjoying this video, let's give it a like and share your thoughts and comments in the comment section. Let's talk about Haihe River. This is a major waterway flowing through the beautiful cities of Tianjin and Beijing. At Tianjin, the river runs through the heart of the city, further forming a tourist line along its banks where a park is built. So while on this amazing river cruise, travelers get to see the landscape of Tianjin as well as enjoy the various historical sites along the river, such as Buddha Dao, Chaoyin Temple, which is over 600 years, Dagu Fort, and of course the Tianjin Eye, which is a major tourist attraction in Tianjin. Besides that, travelers also enjoy incredible views of Jiefanglu Financial Street, Italian-style street, ancient cultural street, and more, including 8 beautiful bridges along the river. So let's enjoy the amazing and beautiful views of Tianjin from the Haihe River.